In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zara account. Whether you're shopping for the latest fashion trends or checking the status of your order, having access to your Zara account is essential. So let's dive right in and make sure you're up and running in no time. First, you'll need to access the Zara platform. Open your preferred web browser or the dedicated app and navigate to the Zara homepage. If it's your first time visiting, you might want to bookmark the page for quicker access in the future. Keep in mind that a stable internet connection will ensure the process goes smoothly and without interruptions. Once you're on the Zara site, your next step is to locate the login option. It's typically found at the top right corner of the home page, clearly labeled to provide you easy access. Clicking on Login will direct you to the sign-in page where you can enter your credentials. Now, for some, this might require a bit of scrolling on mobile devices to find the login button, as it can sometimes be a bit hidden in a navigation menu. Once you spot it, give it a solid click. This will ensure you're brought to the right page, ready to input your details. Next, you'll need to enter your registered email address. Be mindful of typos as you type it in. An incorrectly entered email will prevent you from accessing your account. Ensure you're using the email linked to your Zara account for a seamless experience. If you happen to forget the email you use, checking previous purchase confirmations sent by Zara might help jog your memory. Now, it's time to enter your password. This part can be tricky if you forget what you set it as. Nonetheless, make sure you're entering it correctly, with proper attention given to capitalization and any numbers or symbols. If you find yourself stuck, Zara offers a password recovery option, usually found near the password entry box. With both your email and password entered correctly, you're now ready for the final step. Click the Login button once more. This action will log you into your account, giving you immediate access to all the features and services Zara provides, from checking your shopping cart to browsing the newest collections. And there you have it, a straightforward way to log into your Zara account. If at any point you encounter issues such as forgotten credentials or technical difficulties, Zara's customer service is always available to assist. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial, so avoid sharing your password with others and consider signing out after each session for extra security. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your shopping experience and happy browsing.